All right, so here is a run through of how to get the how to clip something, how to write on it, and how to paste it back in. I'm going to do it right with one of the quizzes. So in Schoology, go to your class, and then you go to the quiz that you want to take. So let's do this one. I don't believe I've done it yet. So I want to do my check-in here. I already started it, so I'll click resume. So then I'm going to press the window and the shift and the S button. So it pops this up. And I can move my finger on the screen or I can use the mouse. And I'm going to clip out the part that I want. It will pop a thing up down here in the corner. I'm going to click on it. Now, if I want, I can write right here. Okay, but for some of this stuff, you'll want to write in OneNote. So I'm going to put it in OneNote, and then I'm going to put it back. So if you just write in here, you'll just write, and then up in the corner here, there is this thing right here that says copy. So you'll click that copy button and then paste it back in. Okay, and that'll work exactly the same as what I'm going to do. But I'm going to put it into OneNote so you can see how to do this. So I go to OneNote, I find some blank space. I'm going to do it right in this daily agenda. I click so that my cursor is here. Then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click paste. It'll paste my problem in there. So then I'm just going to solve the problem. Okay, so I'm going to do a little highlighting here. WN's getting bisected. So that means there's two equal parts. I'm going to mark them there and there. So I've got WD, which is here. Sorry, it took me a second. It's early. I've got ND, which is here. All right, so there's ND. So now I know that bisect means two equal parts. And so green equals blue. So I'm going to solve it. So x minus 14 equals 3x minus 76. Minus 14 equals 2x minus 76. 62. So I get x is 31. I hope I didn't make any mistakes there. Doesn't look like it. And then it wants NW. All right, NW is the whole thing. All right, so NW is actually from here over to here. So it's the yellow one again. So I'm going to plug it back into either the blue and double it, or the green and double it, or I'm going to plug it into the blue and the green and add them together. And it doesn't matter which one you do. So I'm just going to plug it into the blue one. So 31 minus 14, that's 17 times 2 is 34. All right, so that means that my final answer is 34. So now I need to paste this back in there so that you can show all of your work. So I'm just going to do the same thing again. I'm going to hit the window and then the shift and then the S all at the same time. And I'm going to screen clip everything with all my work in it. Just going to grab everything there. I'm going to click this, all right, because I want to show you that. So now if I had written everything in here, I'd be at this point right now. So I'm going to click the copy thing right here. And then I'm going to go to Schoology. And I'm going to go into the box. I'm going to make sure that my cursor is blinking in the box right there. I'm going to right click. And then I'm going to click paste. Now, I can't really see it. I can drag this thing down here. Whoops. Drag this down so that it gets bigger if I want to. I can also kind of move around in there and see what it is. But on all these, I'm going to have a review answers. So I'm going to review answer. And when that's there, now if I go up through, I'll see exactly what I pasted in there. So that's exactly what the teacher will see. So then I just click submit, and it will say, are you sure you want to submit it? You say yes. It shoots off, and then you're done. Okay? So it's a long, long explanation of how to do it. You screen clip it. You either write in the actual screen clip box, or you can paste it into OneNote, and then you need to just make sure that you put it back. Okay? If there's any questions, you can't make it work, send me a message and we'll figure it out.